Good evening, guys. This is Ankur here, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Technical Analysis, the Unbiased View. So, today I'm going to discuss three stocks with you. In today's episode, the three stocks are like Alpha Geo, the second would be Adani Ports, and the third one would be Bank of Baroda. So, let's discuss on these three stocks that what are the technical parameters which are allowing us to explore some opportunity. These three stocks would be for investment purpose and for the swing trading purpose, correct? So the length of the opportunity is minimum, bare minimum 15% up to 50%. So it depends on individual to individual how he wants to book the profit, how whether he trails or whether he exit after 5% or 10% or whatever, in double digit kind of a rally. So my job is to present you three stocks which are showing the opportunity for us to enter at the right time. This is the right time for the entry in these three stocks: Alpha Geo, Adani Ports, and Bank of Baroda. Let's explore one by one. This chart which you are seeing in your screen is Alpha Geo. Alpha Geo has been correction ever since it made a high in 19 September 2016. From there, the stock has been ranging in a lowest bracket of Fibonacci. Now, as you can see, I have made a some drawing and I have mentioned the points that Alpha Geo right now is showing us the signal of bottoming out, and it has made a rounding bottom arc, and this is weekly chart. This is not a daily chart, not monthly chart. This is Alpha Geo's weekly chart. On the weekly chart, I can see two very positive things for which it allowed me to enter at this point in time with a good risk reward ratio. So Alpha Geo is showing a signal of bottoming out. It is ranging between, if I have to show you, it is ranging between 100, till 2064. Sorry, 264. Between 100 to 264. So that was the range where it created a rounding bottom arc. Now, another positive point is that within that range, when it was creating a rounding bottom pattern, it made a bullish crossover, a positive crossover between 60 and 20 EMA, correct? And this is 60 and 20 exponential weekly moving average. The neckline of the rounding bottom pattern is coming at 265. The neckline is coming at 265. Currently, the stock is trading at 272. Therefore, it is a right place for us to enter with a bare minimum stop loss in terms of the risk reward ratio. The most important thing in stock is that where we are entering, neither we should enter after a rally of 15-20%, nor we should keep on averaging when it is declining. Therefore, we will have to find a midway out. So the midway out is that it has shown the signal of bottoming out with a rounding bottom pattern with a positive crossover in the range of 0 to 23% of Fibonacci, having a neckline of 265. Therefore, we can enter at this point in time at 272. On a closing basis, you can have a stop loss of 265. Even if it is touches 265, we can wait for one day or couple of days to see that whether it's a false breakdown or it is a genuine breakdown. However, the risk reward is very favorable because the first target which is coming out to be at 350, correct? So this is Alpha Geo weekly chart. So the first resistance what I would see is 350. So at 350, if it comes at 350, there you can book the profits or you can sell 50% of the quantity and get a good average of the buying, and there you can stay in the stock for a long term. So this is Alpha Geo's weekly chart. Need to keep an eye on it. The current closing price on Friday was 272. The neckline coming off rounding bottom pattern at weekly chart is 265. Keep the stop loss of neckline and hit the target for 350. The another stock, let me put a daily chart, is Adani Ports. Now, why Adani Ports? Because Adani Ports, we know that there was some news in Adani Ports, and the stock is corrected very, very deeply. However, on Friday, what I have seen is that it has created a base at 368. There were two consecutive days where the stock made a low of 638. Sorry, 638. Adani Port created a base of 638. Two consecutive days it made a low of 638, and at Friday I have seen that it made a bullish engulfing pattern with a volume breakout. The average volume in Adani ports is generally 2.31 crores if you study the 3 month data. However, on Friday, the volume was 7 CR, so it is almost like three times. With three times volume, with two consecutive days, same low, having a bullish engulfing pattern, Adani Ports seems to be a good entry at this point in time. Now, we have to be careful about couple of things. For intraday or for swing trading, enter in the stock only above 705. Enter in the stock only above 705. I'm talking about this rectangle grayed out bracket. So above 705, let it come, sustain, or if it is correcting, touching 705 and again going above 705, that is the time you can enter in Adani Ports. The base is 638, but in my opinion, do not enter in Adani Ports between 680 to 705. Avoid entry in that zone. If it goes below 680, you can go for a intraday short. Correct? In my view, STBT, a carryover short, will not be advisable in Adani ports because there is a good volume in last 3 4 days, and with those volumes, it has created a double bottom at 638 with a good volume and good delivery. So, best is to avoid Adani ports between the range of 680 to 705. As far as long is concerned, enter into the Adani ports during the day, intraday. Once it crosses 705, there you can have a immediate quick entry for a good momentum. Or during the day, if it comes down, retest 705 and bounces back, that is the 200% sure shot entry in Adani Ports. The reward, the target coming is 760 to 770. And when I checked the option chain data, I can see a call buying and a put writing around at the money. And the resistance what I found at option data was also at during 670 and 770. So the chart and the OI data are indicating the same thing. It may happen so that it may go sideways between 638 to 705. Avoid a fresh entry in that bracket and a strict avoid between 680 to 705. Therefore, having understanding the entire pattern with the bullish engulfing, the double bottom, the volume breakout, three-time volume, strong base, best is to enter above 705. Now, what if stock open only above 705 and opens with a gap up of 1.5% because there's an extraordinary beaten down, so it may happen so that it can give you the gap up. In that scenario, keep the stop loss below 705 or wait till 925, 930, see if open is equal to low. That is again a signal, and you can carry the Adani ports for intraday or BTST. Make sure that if you're carrying for BTST, you book some profit. Therefore, any correction, any small false tip can protect your holding strength. So that is Adani ports. Coming to the next stock is Bank of Baroda. Now, again, let me put a weekly chart for you. Bank of Baroda is again showing a sign of bottoming out. You can see there is a strong correction ever since 27th of Jan 2015. Correct? Now there are three bands which I can see: this band, and this band. So these are the three resistance band. However, the stock again shown a sign of bottoming out at 0 to 23.6% of Fibonacci with a neckline of 86. The stock closed at 80.20 on Friday. In my view, there are three targets which are coming for Bank of Baroda. The first target is 103, second target could be 109, and the third would be 131. Now, when to enter at Bank of Baroda? Enter only on a closing basis if it closes above 86. Enter in Bank of Baroda on a closing basis if it is closing above 86. The first target would be 103. So from 86 to 103 could be a 19.7% kind of a returns. If you are going for a second target from 86 to 109, it is 26.74% kind of a returns. And if it touches 131, so from 86 to 131, it is 52% kind of a return. Correct? Again, there is a positive crossover within the triangle, within the Fibonacci between 20 and 60. So for me, Bank of Baroda is also showing a good early signs for entry, but we will not have an aggressive entry at this point in time. Let Bank of Baroda give us a closing above 86 someday, and there you can set up the alert in your individual system, and that is the time you can go for a swing trading or for investment. This is not an intraday buy. Bank of Baroda and Alpha Geo both are for investment of a swing purpose. At least you need to hold for a week to 3 week to month or maybe 3 month. So the targets are 103, 109, 131. Subsequently, if it touches the target, sell some quantity so that the buying average goes down. So it will give you more strength towards your holdings. So these are the three stocks which I would like to discuss with you. Alpha Geo, Adani Ports, Bank of Baroda. Keep all the levels alert in your system. So whenever it closes, the alert pops out on your system so you can make a right entry at the right time. Thank you, friends. This is Ankur Singh. Keep watching technical analysis, the unbiased view. Bye bye.